Imagine the universe. This site is amazing. Acquire quality data, they can use high-end equipment, affordable, premium data, premium location, premium equipment. Hello everyone, this is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor, and today we are going to see filters. Today is the filter called Hasta La Vista Green. Goodbye green. When your image is so green, you can take off this green and create a new look in your image. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to don't lose any new videos. And if you are going to like this video, go do the like. This help a lot in the divulgation. If you don't know about my game is called Astrophotography. In this game, you take astrophotography just using some cards. It's amazing. Let's do. It's simple. It's just you just go to the site. It's free. Download the action, the filter. Go to filters, deep sky colors, HLVG, Hasta La Vista green. Let's try the 3 ones. Let's create a 3. Let's create 4. Filter, deep sky colors, Hasta La Vista green, strong, filter, Hasta La Vista green, medium, and now the filter, deep sky colors, Hasta La Vista green, weak. Look the difference. I like this image. And you say to me, Vitor, look to this. This is not right. Why is this pink? This is we can correct that on another filter, but we are not going to see this today. Look, for me, the strong one is not good. Let's see, strong, mild, light. I like the medium one. Let me see this. No, I like the light one. Filter, deep sky colors, Hasta La Vista green, weak. Then we have the strong, the medium, and the weak. I like more to use the weak. Okay, I think the image is more fantastic. Use the weak. Look to this. Not good. For this image, the weak is better. But it will depend of the image. It will depend. But this data is fantastic. Remember, we can take off all this red, purple, pink image. It's a discolor. It's just using. Let's open another image. Let's open. Let me see. Here. Let's do filter, deep sky colors, Hasta La Vista green, strong. The image is better. Let's come back, create a copy, and do filter, Hasta La Vista green, strong. The image will change a little bit. The green is gone. It's substituted for the red and blue. The image is so much more good in my opinion. So if you like this to process and correct the green problem, use Hasta La Vista green and say goodbye green. The green is gone. Let me see the levels. Show the green. Look to the green. Look to the blue. Look to the red. Here. Let's merge down. Let's do filter, deep sky colors, Hasta La Vista green strong. The green is gone. And the image it was, if you use this and you have just nothing of green like I did previously. Let's come back here. We don't have at all green here. If you do a green, let's delete that. If you do a Hasta La Vista green, filter, Hasta La Vista green, strong, the image is not going to be better. So if you have green, the problem will be solved. If you don't have green, don't use Hasta La Vista green. Don't use. This was a fast video about Hasta La Vista green. This filter is fantastic. If you process on Photoshop, have Hasta La Vista green. There is free to use. It's amazing. Thank you guys. This is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to don't lose any new videos, and click on the ring to be notified of every new video about astrophotography here in the Mundo Astronômico.